Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video guys. South African singer Rethabile Khumalo has returned to the hospital just days after being discharged. The news was shared by her mother Winnie Khumalo, who took to social media to seek prayers for her daughter's recovery. Now the talented artist had faced a life-threatening situation after allegedly being poisoned by a friend, you guys. On June 28, 2024, Winnie Khumalo took to Instagram to post, "So I thought I will keep quiet until my daughter is okay. She is fighting for her life. She was poisoned by a so-called friend." She added that Rethabile has been hospitalized for 6 days, undergoing 3 operations in an attempt to stabilize her condition. Now, the distressing news was initially shared discreetly, but Winnie decided it was only fair to inform Rethabile's supporters about the singer's health battle, you guys. When you pray, please include her in your prayers. Obunzima Bokuba Umzali, she pleaded. On July the 4th, another Instagram post announced that Rethabile had returned home and was recovering after a critical stay in the hospital. However, hopes of a full recovery were dashed when her health deteriorated, leading to a return to the hospital. In a heartbreaking update, Winnie wrote, "I have no words." The post was met with an outpouring of empathy and prayers from followers and fans, all hoping for Rethabile's swift recovery. Guys, we are certainly definitely wishing Rethabile a speedy recovery, guys. Thank you so much for actually watching this video. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video, guys, so that it reaches a lot of people. Thank you so much. I will definitely see you